This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very easy to use. You can create music using this AI application here. You can see a lot of AI generated music on this application here that are created by other people. And as you can see, you can tap on it and pretty much listen to these AI generated music. And as well, you can tap on the create option to pretty much go ahead and copy the AI generated music and pretty much edit it as you please. You'll be able to tap on the refine option to use AI to improve the quality of the AI music. This is the custom section where you enter your lyrics and you'll be able to select whichever style you want to use. And as well, you can tap on the random option if you want to just select something random, as you can see. And also have the option section here, we can give your musical name, and as well you can select whether you want a male or female sing the song, or if you just want AI to select that option for you based on the song tune and song type of song. It will pretty much select that for you as well. And also you have the simple section here. We can create your AI music using a prompt. You can see our description of your song. So that's really pretty much it for that there. The section down here as well, you can create music from just a photo. You also have the same option as you had in the custom section as well. You have the template option where you can create music from images. You can see here. Also, you can upload the music that you want to use for your image. So all you have to do is upload the image here, choose the song that you want for it. Also, you have other options. You can see here the style of the video. So you're going to pretty much turn in your photos into music. So basically that. As well as you can see here, you can select the style of the video, 3D animation, vintage, sci-fi, comic, realistic, whatever the cases you guys choose. You have the option to select the title of the song, the name. You can see here pretty much who created the song, and as well the aspect ratio of the video. And as well, if you want to remove the watermark option, you pretty much have to get their subscription. And to even use the application, you're going to need a subscription. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And to get their subscription, just tap on the pro icon at the top here and you'll be able to get their subscription and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. And over this section here, pretty much we'll see all the musics that you have generated and all the videos, music videos that you have generated, MV music videos that you have generated as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If you want to get your pro subscription, pretty much have to log in. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Let's see if I can help you out.